Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider. First, gather your essential materials. You will need lightweight options like balsa wood, foam, or even sturdy cardboard. Precision is key, so cut your components accurately. For instance, aim for a wingspan of around 24 inches. Also, have your tools ready, such as a sharp craft knife, a reliable ruler, and a strong, quick-drying adhesive. Next, focus on crafting effective wings. Design them with a gentle curve, known as an airfoil, to generate optimal lift during flight. When attaching them to the fuselage, ensure a secure bond and aim for a slight dihedral angle, perhaps 5 degrees, for stability. The wing chord, which is the width, should ideally be about 1/6 of the total wingspan for good performance. Now, let's build the glider's body and tail. Construct a straight, rigid fuselage, perhaps around 18 inches in length, to serve as the central support. For flight control, you'll need to create a horizontal stabilizer and a vertical fin. These components are crucial for directional stability. Securely attach the entire tail section to the very rear of your fuselage, ensuring it is perfectly aligned. Finally, the critical step of balancing and flight testing. Determine your glider's center of gravity. It's usually about 1/3 of the way back from the wing's leading edge. Adjust the balance by adding small weights, perhaps 1/4 ounce at a time, until it flies smoothly. Then, take your glider to a calm, open area and conduct test flights, observing its performance and making any necessary minor adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.